beiben Trucks Group Corporation is in Baotou, China. As the biggest military-to-civilian project of Norinco Group, established by introducing fully the technology of Daimler-Benz heavy-duty trucks. Beiben Trucks Group Corporation is the only manufacturer of commercial vehicles in China, featuring military-civilian integration. Cornerstone by the advanced and unique Benz technology, and deeply incorporating the elaborate leading defense technology. Beiben Trucks Group Corporation has developed an R&D team covering full range of subjects and complete scientific and technological innovation system by assimilation, self-innovation, integration and development, and it boasts self-owned intellectual property rights and a patent in many areas. Following the strategy of platform orientation, modularization and serialization, Beiben Trucks Group Corporation has constructed 4 major platforms of heavy-duty trucks, namely NG80, NG08, NG09, and NG10. By innovatively developing a series of modular system assemblies including cab, wheel axle, truck frame, electrics, powertrain, etc. We have also forged a safe, reliable, highly effective, and energy-efficient Beiben heavy-duty commercial vehicles. Our products have been certified by such authorities as International Certification Center and China Automobile Technology and Research Center, CATARC, and are well up to the automobile-related requirements set by ECE of the United Nations. Based on the technology of Benz NG80, we developed Dumper, an engineering vehicle for mining purpose featuring excellent reliability and passability, City Drags vehicle, which is eco-friendly, safe and smart, light dumper with high loading capacity and low fuel consumption, as well as wide-body dumper with big loading capacity for use in adverse conditions like mines, pit craters, etc. By keeping abreast with international advanced heavy-duty truck technologies and independently developing truck body, frame, suspension, and wheel axle assisted by good sources of spare parts, we have successfully developed reliable, comfortable, highly effective, and energy-efficient tractors. Based on the technology of Benz NG80, we have developed cross-country vehicle featuring excellent mobility, passability, weatherability, and moisture-proof, fungi-proof, salt fog-proof capability. Its outstanding cold starting system can ensure smooth starting from 41 degrees below zero. Lorry, which features big loading capacity, light curb weight, high transportation efficiency, and low fuel consumption. Beiben heavy-duty truck chassis can also be retrofitted into an extensive range of special-purpose vehicles for oil fields, firefighting, municipal works, hazardous chemicals, transportation, etc. Beiben Trucks Group Corporation is a specialized manufacturer of heavy-duty trucks capable of producing key components including cab, wheel axle, truck frame, suspension, etc. Beiben cab uses high-strength steel plate in line with Benz standard. Is the safest and coziest cab in China as it's full steel. Dual cavity cab structure offers good strength, and its cavity wax injection techniques offer good anti-corrosion and soundproof effect. The beam and sister beam of beiben truck frame is one-time pressing formed featuring unique composite beam with fish belly variable cross-sections and unequal width, for which our clients name our beam as unbendable backbone. Beiben wheel axle boasts large loading capacity. High torque, big ground clearance, excellent possibility, and reliability. Furthermore, beiben Trucks Group Corporation carried out in-depth strategic cooperation with world-renowned suppliers like Weichai Power and Fast of China, Webco and Mahle of Germany in various fields. As of today, beiben Trucks Group Corporation has heavy-duty truck final assembly lines of international level not only in Baotou, China, but in many overseas markets as well, such as South Africa, Ethiopia, Iran, and Myanmar. We always endeavor to come up with high-quality, good performance beiben heavy-duty trucks by assembling and producing components in a highly accurate and efficient manner. Beiben Trucks Group Corporation gives full play to its technical and brand advantages and consistently promotes construction of a marketing network integrating sales, services, and spare parts into one. By committing ourselves to better serving the national economy, defense construction, and mass clients, and advocating the concept of cooperation for win-win and continuously uplifting coordinated management of domestic and overseas markets, we have successfully put in place 5 systems, for example, market, product, service, management, and capacity building under the guidance of strategy of parallel development of military and civilian products and integrated operation of military and civilian markets. On top of that, we're also exploring the global market at full capacity on the edge of the vigorous international operation platform of Norinco Group and have so far established our presence in more than 100 countries and regions in Africa, Latin America, Southeast Asia, Central Asia, and the Middle East. Always bearing in mind the concept of beiben heavy-duty truck, serving you with all my heart, we spare no efforts in providing quality services to our customers. We have so far dispatched over 100 person times accumulatively for service in Cuba, Venezuela, Bolivia, Kenya, Sudan, and some other countries and regions and received high praise from our clients. Besides, we have also offered technical training for our clients from many countries and regions, easing their worries. Currently, we have established spare parts centers in Africa, Southeast Asia, and Latin America respectively to radioactively cover the surrounding areas. We have also constructed accurately managed the vehicle networking system with vehicular terminals based on satellite positioning services such as Beidou and GPS, hence guaranteeing our clients' effective operation of equipment provided by us. Constant pursuit of quality and eco-friendliness enables beiben Trucks Group Corporation to obtain many professional certifications and license qualifications in line with state laws and regulations such as ISO 9001 and GJB 9001B Quality System Certification. China compulsory certification for automobile products and ISO 14001 environment system certification. We have also been awarded Fuel Saving Championship and China Truck Model of the Year for the second year in a row. As a world-renowned military civilian integrated vehicle brand with outstanding quality, beiben heavy-duty trucks have become the first choice of many countries and regions for land transportation of equipment and carrying platform of major weaponry. Our trucks were staged in the parade on the 60th anniversary of the founding of the People's Republic of China, in the parade on the 70th anniversary of the victory of the World Anti-Fascist War, and in other major events such as parade during National Day celebrations in Peru and Bolivia, and received wide attention. Our trucks also ranked among the best in the global military contest held in Russia. Beiben Trucks Group Corporation is widely appraised for our active participation in global peacekeeping effort and is one of the first highest-level suppliers for the UN. The long-standing concern and support from CPC and central government, Norinco Group and local government, brother companies and partners, as well as close attention and trust of our clients, both at home and abroad, have always been an undying source of motivation for Beiben Trucks Group Corporation to continuously gear up its restructuring and seek technical innovation. In the spirit of a returning society with self-development, Beiben Trucks Group Corporation of today is forging ahead toward its goal of becoming an innovative heavy-duty truck manufacturer featuring military-civilian integration and a coordinated development of domestic and overseas markets. Beiben Heavy-Duty Truck, a Chinese brand worth the trust of your all.